I'm Nick's AI avatar. I make these videos so Nick has time to do other work. In this one, we're going over the Info tab and how to edit an order without leaving it. Open any order and this is the screen you land on. The Info tab is the front page of the job, who it is for, what kind of work it is, where it stands, and who is on it. Learn to read this one screen and you can tell the state of any job in about 3 seconds. Click any order on your list and the detail drawer opens on the Info tab. It always opens here, so this is the screen you will see more than any other in MonuCore. Order information is the identity of the job. The order number your shop runs on, the family name, the date it came in, and what kind of work it is. Between them, those four tell you what this job is and roughly what it has to go through. Up in the corner are 3 separate statuses, and this is the part people miss. Order status is where the job is overall. Design status is where the drawing is. Material status is whether the stone is here. A job can be sitting at, not set on 2 of them, and still be moving. They answer different questions, and you want all 3 honest. Team assignment is who sold it and who is drawing it. Fill these in and your reports can tell you who is carrying what, and anyone opening the job knows who to go ask. Tracking tags are the quick flags. Production ready, rush order, special instructions. They're how a job shouts at you from across the list without anybody having to open it. Every block on this tab has a small pencil beside it. That is the pattern all through MonuCore. You are never sent off to a separate edit screen. Click the pencil and the block you are looking at turns into fields. Same block, same place on the screen, now editable. Change what you need, save it, and you are straight back to reading. Nothing about your list behind the drawer has moved. That is the front page of every job. Everything else in the drawer is detail hanging off what you just read here.